Headache English, The Search.
Today, we're going to learn 1. List of confusing words with meanings. 2. Sentence samples. 3. Quiz. 4. Advanced level practice.
Words to discuss. Appraise versus apprise. Bazaar versus bazaar. Complacent versus complacent. Diffuse versus diffuse. Titillate versus titivate.
Appraise versus apprise. Appraise. Verb. To evaluate the value or quality of a certain thing or idea.
Apprise. Verb. To inform or notify someone.
Examples. Appraise. The students were asked to appraise Robert Frost's poem.
Apprise. She came to give me the invitation and apprised me that my presence was required.
Let us use the words together. Mr. Parker apprised the students that he's going to appraise their paperworks next week.
Bazaar versus bazaar. Bazaar. Noun. A fair or a fundraising sale of goods.
Bizarre. Adjective odd, unusual or strange.
Examples. Bazaar. The school bazaar raised enough money for the children in the orphanage.
Bizarre. A bizarre comment came out from his mouth.
Let us use the words together. We found some bizarre items at the bazaar last night.
Complacent versus complacent. Complacent. Adjective self-satisfied about the advantages or situation without knowing the possible danger.
Complacent. Adjective cooperative or willing to please others.
Examples. Complacent. Lillian was complacent about the situation during the show.
Complacent. The participants are very complacent during the briefing.
Let us use the words together. The contestants are complacent and complacent with all the tasks.
Diffuse versus diffuse. Diffuse. Verb. Lessen or reduce tension in a difficult situation.
Diffuse. Verb. Spread or disperse over a wide area.
Examples. Diffuse. The police officer is thinking of a possible way to defuse the bomb.
Diffuse. Their political influence has become large and diffuse.
Let us use the words together. The company has diffused in an instant, so they are being careful so their sales won't diffuse.
Titillate versus titivate. Titillate. Verb. Stimulate or attract someone intentionally.
Titivate. Verb. Make small alteration.
Examples. Titillate. The thing that the author is explaining is to educate readers, not to get titillated.
Titivate. Maria planned to titivate her bedroom for a change.
Ali was asked to titivate a condominium. The client wants a work of art that will titillate his senses.
You're on the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe and share this video.
Let us check your knowledge. Directions. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. The principal will blank the parents of the athletes about the upcoming international event. Number 2. Mr. Garner blank his employees for a job well done. Number 3. The store owner must blank all staff.
Letter A. Appraise. Letter B. Apprise.
The correct answers are: Number 1. Letter B. The principal will apprise the parents of the athletes about the upcoming international event. Number 3. Letter A. The store owner must appraise all staff.
Number 4. Let's stay for more 30 minutes, they will bargain items at the blank later. Number 5. I can't understand his blank taste in clothing. Number 6. Parker made sure to blank before going home.
Letter A. Bazaar. Letter B. Bizarre.
The correct answers are: Number 4. Letter A. Let's stay for more 30 minutes, they will bargain items at the bazaar later. Number 5. Letter B. I can't understand his bizarre taste in clothing.
Number 7. Rapunzel obeyed her mother in a blank manner. Number 8. The customer made blank about the defective item she received. Number 9. I grew blank about the hardships and challenges ahead.
Letter A. Complacent. Letter B. Complacent.
The correct answers are: Number 7. Letter B. Rapunzel obeyed her mother in a complacent manner. Number 9. Letter A. I grew complacent about the hardships and challenges ahead.
Number 10. Please turn off the blank before you leave. Number 11. His talk was so blank that I need to take notes. Number 12. I can't do anything but to blank the heated situation.
Letter A. Diffuse. Letter B. Diffuse.
The correct answers are: Number 11. Letter B. His talk was so diffuse that I need to take notes. Number 12. Letter A. I can't do anything but to diffuse the heated situation.
Number 13. In order to blank the readers, the author made the standards for a spouse high. Number 14. Kindly blank your makeup, make it lighter. Number 15. The hotel offers many blank.
Letter titillate. Letter B. Titivate.
The correct answers are: Number 13. Letter A. In order to titillate the readers, the author made the standards for a spouse high. Number 14. Letter B. Kindly titivate your makeup, make it lighter.
Now let us see how Jax will use the words together while he was looking for a job.
The companies are mostly looking for someone who's passionate with their job. Complacent employee is also a must for clients to trust you and the company. Yet, clients always want to be apprised and want to apprise if they are investing their money on good companies, but you can't also avoid things on site. So if problems occur, you must know how to diffuse the situation easily. Because if not, the problems will diffuse and no one wants that.
After few moments.
Oh wow. I think the offer of MREC is bizarre. They are looking for someone who can titivate the old bazaar to titillate the taste of shoppers. I want that.
Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching.